on the justice delivery system in India over recent incidents of rapes in Hyderabad and Unnao. Chief Justice of India says the criminal justice system must consider its position and attitude, but warned that justice itself should never take the form of revenge. And a 5-member delegation of Autonomous State Demand Committee met Assam Governor Jagdish Mukhi at Raj Bhavan and submitted a memorandum appraising him about issues like deep malaise prevailing within Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Piso. Now the news in details. Amid a raging debate on the justice delivery system in India over recent incidents of rapes in Hyderabad and Unnao, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bonde on Saturday said the criminal justice system must be considered its position and attitude, but warned that justice itself should never take the form of revenge. The Chief Justice's remark come a day after the 4 accused in a brutal rape and murder case of a 25-year-old woman veterinarian in Hyderabad were allegedly killed during exchange of fire with the police. CJI says that the recent events in the country had sparked off an old debate with new vigor, where there was no doubt that the criminal justice system must consider its positions and attitude towards the time and it took dispose of the criminal matter. Alright, so let's slip into a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. A 5-member delegation of Autonomous State Demand Committee met Assam's Governor Jagdish Mukhi at Raj Bhavan in Guwahati and submitted a memorandum appraising him about issues like deep malaise prevailing within Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the plan and gradual withdrawal of autonomy from the Autonomous Council, and negligence of the state government on border issues of Karbi Anglong and others. This was informed in a press statement issued by its President Huliram Tirang and General Secretary of ASDC Mr. Jodson B here on Friday. Alright, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.